In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Figma designs to PDF. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First off, if you haven't opened Figma yet, go ahead and create a new design project. Simply log in to your Figma account and click on New File. This is your playground where you can get creative and let your designs come to life. Once your design is ready, it's time to move on to the exporting process. What you'll need to do next is look for the export option. On the right-hand panel, you'll find the Export section. Click on that. It's usually at the bottom of the Properties panel, but it can sometimes be a little tricky to spot, so take your time. After you've clicked on Export, it will give you a few options. This is where you can select the format you want to export your design in. For this tutorial, we're choosing PDF. So just click on the PDF option in the drop-down list. Now, at this point, you might want to tweak some settings before hitting the Export button. Click on the three dots next to the PDF option. This will open up additional settings for you. Here, you can choose your color profile and the quality of the PDF. Adjust those settings based on how you intend to use this PDF. For instance, if it's for online sharing, you might want to maintain a moderate quality for faster loading times. On the other hand, if it's for printing, you'll want the highest quality possible. Once you've configured your settings to your liking, look for the Export button. It's usually at the bottom of the Export Settings panel. Click that button. A dialog will appear prompting you to choose where you want to save this PDF file. Navigate to your desired folder, give the file a name, and hit Save. Congratulations! You've successfully exported your Figma design to PDF. This PDF can now be shared with colleagues, clients, or printed out if you need a physical copy. Now, it's worth noting that PDF is an incredibly versatile format. It maintains your design's integrity across different platforms, which is why it's perfect for sharing. Just think of all the possibilities, whether you're sending out a presentation, sharing prototypes, or even archiving your work, PDFs can do it all. So, let's recap the key steps. Create your design, access the export feature, select PDF from the format options, adjust the settings as necessary, and finally, hit that export button. That's all there is to it. I hope this video helps you feel more confident about exporting your designs in Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these features, the more intuitive it will become. If you found this tutorial helpful, and you'd like to learn more about Figma or design tips in general, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.